A very good morning to you. Welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. The Australian share market is expected to start the week on a lower note. That's following mixed closing on Wall Street on Friday. The major US indices were mixed after strong jobs data once again triggered concerns around aggressive monetary policy tightening in the US. However, robust iron ore prices are expected to boost domestic mining shares today. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 7 points lower or 0.1% lower this morning. The benchmark index closed 0.6% higher at 7,015 points on Friday. Now looking to some business news from this morning now, and Oz Minerals has rejected BHP's takeover offer of $25 per share. The proposal was on the 5th of August, and the Oz Minerals board says it doesn't adequately compensate shareholders for the unique nature of Oz Minerals' core business, which represents a high-quality portfolio of copper and nickel assets, and also the unique investment position which Oz Minerals provides as the only copper company on the ASX 100. Oz Minerals says they have consistently traded above the proposed offer price for the equivalent of more than 5 of the last 12 months, with the highest closing price being in January this year of $29.21. Engineering company Monadelphous has announced it's secured new contracts in the resources sector, totaling around $100 million. Monadelphous has secured a contract for the construction of the Oyu Tolgoi underground project located in the South Gobi region of Mongolia. In addition, the company's been awarded a contract with Talison Lithium Australia for the construction of a range of facilities in the southwest of Western Australia. Also, in the Pilbara region, the Monadelphous Group has been awarded a contract with Rio Tinto for the upgrade of conveyor facilities at the Monadelphous iron ore mine site. And finally, Beach Energy has signed the LNG sale and purchase agreement with BP Singapore, a subsidiary of BP. The LNG SPA will see BP purchase all 3.75 million tonnes of Beach's expected LNG volumes from the Waitsia Stage 2 project. Supply will start in the second half of 2023 and continue for around 5 years. The agreement contains a hybrid pricing structure linked to both Brent and the Japan-Korea market indices. It's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now taking a look to global markets. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones rose 0.2%, the S&P 500 declined 0.16% and the Nasdaq ended 0.5% lower. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 0.8%, the FTSE was down 0.1%, the CAC dropped 0.6% and the DAX ended 0.7% lower. Emerging market stocks rose 0.75%, while MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside of Japan finished 0.61% higher. And the oil prices are up from the lowest level since February on fears over a shortage in supply. WTI crude rose 0.53% to close at $89.01 per barrel. Brent crude closed $94.92 a barrel. Gold prices dipped on strong US jobs data and reduced appeal of a safe haven asset. Spot gold fell 1% to $1,772 an ounce. And Bitcoin is up 0.61% today at 33,432 Australian dollars. That's all for our ASX at Breakfast report here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.